In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix those annoying insecure content errors that you sometimes get after you've installed an SSL certificate. If you get these errors on your site, it means that you don't get a nice padlock in the address bar, and your visitors can get a little bit twitchy when they're getting warnings in their browser that the site is not 100% secure. So they're pretty easy to fix. Let's get started. Hello, it's Alex here from WP Eagle. Hope you're all well. If you're new to the channel, why not subscribe? You can do so by clicking on the red button below. Make sure you click the bell and you'll be notified when I upload new videos, or indeed when I go live, which tends to be every single week. And the live streams are on Wednesdays, 8 o'clock UK time. So anyway, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix insecure content errors. You get these errors sometimes after you've installed an SSL certificate, and it means you don't get the nice padlock in the address bar. And on some browsers, the visitors get different error messages, that kind of thing. They're pretty easy to fix. They're generally caused by some element on the page being loaded over a HTTP connection. So basically, you just got to find what that element is and make an adjustment to it. That's all there is to it. So let's get on the computer and I'll show you exactly what I mean. Let's go. So this is a website I'm going to be fixing today. It's a website that I created a little while ago for a client. Now, before I started recording today, I updated my Chrome browser and it looks a little bit different than it did before. Which I guess is a good thing. But one thing I have noticed that's changed is up here. Before you used to get a little yellow padlock or a green padlock, depending on if your connection was secure or not. Now you just get this little eye thing. So if I click that, it says your connection to the site is not fully secure. So there's no coloured padlocks anymore, so it's not quite as obvious. In fact, I thought Chrome were actually going to make it more obvious when you were connected to a site that wasn't quite secure. But hey, I don't know. If we do go to a secure page, say for example the dashboard, I'm already logged into the site, then you just get the padlock and that is a secure connection. There's no insecure elements. But when we actually do browse the front of the site, that's when you get the little eye warning you that your connection to the site is not fully secure. So that's what we want to fix. Now generally this problem is caused by loading some element. So that could be an image, something like that. Generally it is an image. So you're loading some element of the page over a normal HTTP connection or an insecure connection. So we need to identify what that element is on this page. Let me just check a few of the other pages, see if it affects the whole site, which it does appear to. So that gives us a clue actually what it could be. It's probably going to be something that's in the footer, or it's going to be something that's in the header, or it's something that's on every single page. So let's work out what is causing the problem. So to do that, I'm going to go up to the top and find the toolbar for Chrome. I recommend that you use Chrome to do this. Be easier. You can obviously download it for free. Just do a search for Google Chrome browser. And what I'm going to go into is View, and then Developer, and then the JavaScript Console. And this tells us a few of the errors that are coming up. Don't worry about the red ones. The one we're looking for is this mixed content. So the page, blah, 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 was loaded over HTTPS, but requested an insecure image. And then it tells us what that image is. And it's the logo, by the look of it. Logo, well, if I click on it, it will show me the image. It's this one here, which is this one up here. So it's just the logo that's causing the problem, which is why we've got an insecure page error on every single page, because obviously the logo is on every single page. So the easiest way to fix these errors is generally just to add the image again. It generally happens when you've built the site on a normal HTTP connection and then you switch it over to a SSL connection. That's when you get problems. So it's just, as I say, a case of adding the image again. So to do that, if I can remember this theme, I think it's in Customize. It might not be. It's in here. So this is the X theme. So you just need to go into whatever options you've got for your theme to set the logo. If it is your logo, It might be another image. It might be an image that's in a slider or in a page or a product. Generally, the best way to fix it is just to remove that element and then either re-upload the image again or just add it again from the media library. So I think if I can remember correctly, for the X theme for the logo is in header. If I scroll down, there is our image. So first I'm going to try just adding it from the media library. That's the easiest way. So I'm just going to remove it, click the plus, do a search for logo. I think it's that one. And then insert. And come down and save. So let's see if that's done it. There we go. Now got this connection, it's secure, and a nice padlock, which used to be green, but it's not anymore in the latest version of Chrome. So yeah, just to recap, what you need to do is go into the view and the developer area, and then the JavaScript console, and you'll get the yellow bit that says insecure content, and then you can identify which images or whatever it is that's causing the problem, and just remove that image and add it again, and that should fix your problems. If it doesn't, then please do leave a comment below this video and I'll do my best to give you some other ideas on what you could try. But anyway, that brings us to the end of this video. Back to my face. So that brings us to the end of this video. Hope you fixed all your insecure content errors. As I just said, if you didn't, then please leave a comment below and I'll do my best to try and figure out what's going on with your site. I do read all the comments and I do try and reply to as many as I possibly can. So it's time for me to go. But before I do that, let me just remind you one more time, if you haven't subscribed, then please do so. You can click on the little eagle up there to do that. And remember, click that bell and you'll be notified when I upload. Here's another video somewhere on the screen. It's been chosen especially for you. So I do hope you enjoy it. And if you've got a bit of extra time, why not check out my other channel? Click on my face, wherever that may be, and you can go and take a look at that. But until next time, bye for now.